Six Sigma is a quality control methodology that uses to significantly reduce defects and improve processes. Manufacturers often use Six Sigma model to increase efficiency and boost profits. Six Sigma practitioners use statistics, financial analysis to identify and reduce defects and errors, minimize variations, and increase quality and efficiency. Six Sigma is used by many companies, local governments, and other institutions. For example, Microsoft uses Six Sigma to help eradicate defect in its system and data centers and systematically reduce IT infrastructure failures. So we are going to discuss about the design for Six Sigma. So Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology for improving processes, reducing defects, and increasing efficiency in any organization. It emphasizes systematic analysis, problem solving, and continuous improvement. What is Six Sigma? Striving for perfection. So Six Sigma aims to achieve near perfect quality by minimizing variability and defects in process. Data-driven decisions. So Six Sigma heavily relies on data analysis and statistical methods to identify and address root cause of a problem. So continuous improvement. So Six Sigma is not one-time event, but a continuous cycle for identifying if at all there is any possibility of improvement and thereby implementing for improvements. So the key principles of Six Sigma are customer focus, process improvement, data-driven approach, teamwork, and collaboration. So customer focus is understanding and meeting customer needs and the expectation are at the heart of Six Sigma. Whereas the process improvement, Six Sigma prioritizes optimizing process to eliminate waste, reduce errors, and enhance efficiency. So in case of data-driven approach, it's a statistical analysis and the data collections are critical for identifying the trends and areas for improvement. Teamwork and collaboration. Six Sigma projects are often cross-functional, requiring collaboration and communication among teams. So here is the Six Sigma process. So first step is clearly identify the problem or opportunity for improvement. Second one, measure. Collect data on the current process to understand its performance. Third one, analyze. So analyze the collected data to identify the root causes of the problem. Fourth one, improvement. Develop and implement solutions to address the root cause. Fifth one, control. Establish controls to ensure the improvements are sustained over time. Define the problem. So there must be a problem statement that must be clearly developed, and with the help of the clear problem definition, so its impact and the desired outcomes has to be formulated. The voice of customers. Understand the customer's needs and the expectation to ensure the problem solution meets their requirement. And project scope. Define the boundaries of the project to ensure focus and avoid scope creep. Then the second step in Six Sigma process is measure. So you have to measure the process. So data collection is the main key to measure the process. So gather relevant data on the process. The metrics is define key performance indicator KPI to measure process performance. Tools required. Use data collection methods such as surveys, direct interviews, and process mapping. Then third step is analyze the data. So after defining the problem, measure the process, we have to analyze with the help of the data that has been collected. So we have to analyze the data. So this is the third step in the Six Sigma process, data exploration. So you have to identify the patterns, trends, and anomalies in the data. Then second one, the root cause analysis. You have to determine the underlying causes of the problem. And the third step, hypothesis testing. So test the hypothesis about the relationship between the variables. Then fourth step, improve the process. So brainstorm solutions. Generate a range of potential solutions to address the problem. And pilot test. Implement the chosen solution on a small scale to assess its effectiveness. Third one, evaluate and refine. Analyze the result of pilot test and make adjustments to the solutions as needed so that the improvement could be made. Then the fifth step, control and monitor the process. So first step, establish control measures, implement mechanisms to track and maintain the improved processes performance. Next is monitor process performance. Regularly collect and analyze the data to ensure the process remains within desired limits. Third one, continuous improvement. Identify and address new opportunities for improvement in the process. So there are various case studies and best practices that could be followed in case of improving the process effectively in case of manufacturing. So this will have the reduced defects and improve the production efficiency and enhance the product quality. In case of customer service, so this will increase the customer satisfaction, reduce waiting time, and improves service quality. So Six Sigma could be applied in case of health care, in case of improving the patient outcomes and reducing the medical errors and thereby enhancing the efficiency. So these are the areas where Six Sigma process could be employed, and these could be the best practices that could be followed in case of various sectors, manufacturing or customer service, or in case of healthcare.